Oh look, he can run now. That's nice. Gotta go. What happened to being able to outrun Optimus? That was the original plan, was it not? Let's still hope that Tesla sticks to the original plan of making him friendly. Friends! Joking aside, this is incredible. It literally looks like a person running. So smooth and natural. We've gone from full self-walking to full self-running in no time. But I know what you're thinking still. Could you outrun its battery? Well, assuming a 6 mile an hour jog, a battery of 2.3 kilowatt hours, estimated power consumption of 700 watts, you'd just need to be able to run for about 3.5 hours. That's just over 20 miles before Optimus runs out of juice. I've ran a half marathon before. I'm not sure I'd make a full one nowadays, but I suppose I'd just get in my car and outrun it, wouldn't I? No, wait, that's a robot too, and Optimus will probably be able to drive as well. Oh my goodness me, if things go bad, we're really doomed. Still, a pretty respectable efficiency of 9 miles per kilowatt hour. But unless Optimus is late for work, why is running important? Well, here's a brief list of why that would be useful. What about rapid response in emergencies? Think fire and rescue and medical delivery. Faster in factory and warehouse situations. Cuts cycle times versus walking, I suppose. What about search and rescue over rough terrain? Quicker coverage. Then there's the military and police pursuit or patrol in dynamic situations. Yes, I suppose think RoboCop. Disaster zones, outrun collapsing structures or flooding, whilst hopefully carrying you too. What about a sports trainer partner that never tires? Oh, I forgot my water, Optimus. Can you go and fetch it? Elderly and disabled assistance with urgent tasks, e.g. catching a bus or fetching your favourite soup and such. Construction, quickly shuttle tools and parts across large sites. And even entertainment and performance, think dancing, stunts, theme parks. Oh, light shows, Simon, whilst running and performing acrobatics all around us at future Tesla light shows. All those use cases, apart from the light shows, also need the care and precision of a human-like hand and finger dexterity. Would you believe it? Tesla is all over that problem too. This surfaced yesterday thanks to Rick Burton, who filmed it at the San Diego Convention Center during their NeurIPS 2025 conference, one of the biggest and most prestigious academic conferences in artificial intelligence and machine learning, where Tesla had a stand showing off their brand with an Optimus hand. Rick posts, "You have to hand it to Elon." Yep, you do, crediting Elon Musk for accelerating Optimus development from initial 2021 reveal to this seamless demo in under 4 years. It really is bonkers watching Tesla engineer at the speed of thought, as I believe Sandy Munro once put it. But let's talk about these hands and why Tesla has the advantage over every other humanoid we've seen. Tesla's Optimus robot features groundbreaking hands with 22 degrees of freedom in the fingers alone, plus additional 3 in the wrist and forearm, doubling the dexterity of its previous 11 degrees of freedom version and approaching the 27 degrees of freedom of a human hand for fluid, precise manipulations like catching a tennis ball, folding laundry, or perhaps the most delicate jobs you can imagine to do with a hand or fingers. That's right. Musical instruments. What were you thinking? Filthy. Through my musician's eyes and ears, what I'd consider the ultimate test would be to delicately grip some drumsticks and be able to play like a robot, like this robot. Or of course, sit down at a piano and perform with feeling and grace to what I'd consider the ultimate task for a robot to do musically. Pick up an electric guitar and make it sing like Jimi Hendrix. This would be incredibly difficult for robot fingers as the space between the frets is tiny. The strings require precise pressure and micro adjustments for clean bends, vibrato, hammer-ons, pull-offs and pinch harmonics, all while the picking hand has to attack with exactly the right angle and force to go from whisper-soft jazz lines to full-on machine gun triplet picking without buzzing or muting the strings. Fingernails are important for finger-picking the strings too, although Tesla could make specific hands for different jobs, I suppose. If Optimus ever plays with the grace of David Gilmour, or rips into a 2-minute Eddie Van Halen-style full eruption of tapped arpeggios and whammy dives, then we're not just looking at the best robot hand on the planet. We're watching something that has officially crossed the line from tool to artist. When that day comes, musicians will have to admit the robot didn't just pass the test, it joined the band. Weird. And oh my god, there's another use case. I'll have a jamming buddy with an Optimus of my own. But that's where Optimus is heading, and hands really are the ultimate frontier. These hands incorporate tendon-like actuators for lifelike motion, tactile sensors for object feedback, and robust designs that endure repeated interactions without frequent maintenance, enabling complex factory tasks with near-human proficiency. What sets Tesla apart from competitors like Boston Dynamics Atlas with simpler grippers lacking such multi-joint finesse, figures Humanoid around 16 degrees of freedom per hand, or even advanced Chinese prototypes like Linkerbot's 42 degrees of freedom research hand, which remains non-commercial and overly complex for scalability. It's Optimus's seamless integration of this dexterity into a full-body system powered by end-to-end AI trained on real-world data from Tesla's vehicle fleet, enabling autonomous learning and generalization across tasks. In other words, Optimus beats rivals by pairing super dexterous hands with full-body AI trained on Tesla's massive real-world driving data, making it truly autonomous and practical. And the other game changer that turns Optimus from prototype to reality is Tesla's unmatched ability to mass produce things, like millions of EVs and batteries that they've done already. Robots are next, with high volume, low cost, about $20,000 each. And Tesla plans to ship factory-ready units by 2026, while competitors remain stuck with expensive, hand-built designs. Prototypes are easy, production is hard. No company on Earth today can build humanoids at scale for a profit that will be generalized all-purpose robots with self-learning and real-world autonomy, except Tesla, because it alone possesses the vertical integration supply chain, the Dojo supercomputers, the billions of real-world driving miles for training data, and the proven ability to drive complex hardware costs from six figures to commodity levels while continuously improving the AI in the field. Optimus isn't just the dexterity leader or the one that can now go for a jog the smoothest, it's the front runner in practical, world-changing humanoid robotics. What an incredible time to be alive and witness as we watch Tesla take us into a future that has the potential to end scarcity, multiply human productivity 100-fold, and finally give every person on Earth the gift of unlimited time and creative freedom. Well, I'm excited anyway. If you enjoy following Tesla's journey, as I do, like, subscribe and support me on Patreon, where you'll find loads of bonus content, interviews, weekly unplugged episodes, polls and more. Your support is greatly appreciated. But tell me, how do you imagine an Optimus being of use to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you patrons, thanks for watching. Bye for now.